Hi, Dave here from Grunt 4x4. Today we're going to show you how to fit a tailgate seal kit to a PX Ford Ranger with tub liner.
Start by ensuring all surfaces are clean and oil-free. Start by placing the inner tub rail seal against the face of the tub liner, following along the contour of the tub liner to the end, trimming off any excess as required, then repeat on the left-hand side. Starting at the bottom, place the outer seal flush with the tail light, following the contour of the tub to the top, then repeat on the left. Starting directly underneath the inner tub rail seal, place the long bed seal across the width of the bed as shown.